Today I'm going to be showing you this drywall repair kit, a 25-piece set that I got from Amazon Vine. It reminds me of the first aid kit, something that you should always have in your home, especially if you have kids or you always have never-ending wall projects like me. So in the kit, you get a set of gloves, you get 20 wall patches, all in different sizes, 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. Then you also get 2 scrapers and 2 sandpapers. So this is useful for things like holes, peeling spots, scrapes, or wall accidents around the house. The patches feel strong and they stick really well once applied. We're going to get into that in a bit. We are going to need the 4-inch for my bathroom. I've been meaning to cover this peel up, so this is a great time to try this kit out. So first things first, you want to make sure you sandpaper the area, so cleaning up and leveling the surface as well. Once that is done, you want to make sure that you choose the right size patch. I have the 4-inch in size here because that's the smallest. And you simply peel and stick. So you want to make sure the aluminum part covers the entire hole or crack, and you firmly press it against the wall. The next step would be to apply drywall paste. I don't have that right now. I actually have this touch-up paint in white. I have glossy white and matte white, so I think I'll go with the matte white. Honestly, to get good results, you want to start off with a drywall paste, but I'm just going to show you how this would usually work. So if this was our drywall paste, you just apply it to your scraper, or if you have a brush and you just level it or apply it over the patch. I prefer using a brush. I feel like the scraper is not allowing me to do the job the right way. So that's all really. You would apply your drywall paste, sandpaper over it, and then apply actual paint. And you'd obviously want to pick a color that is closer to your wall. Unless, of course, if you're going to hang something over it. But pretty much this is how the kit works. Definitely something every home should have. Like I said, it feels like a first aid kit. You just never know when you might need it. The patch does sit on the wall nicely, covers up the damage as it should. It would have been really nice if they included the drywall paste, but I would still recommend it. I would say maybe pick up drywall paste once you are ready to get the kit. And the scraper, very easy to wash or clean once you're done using it. And the gloves seem strong enough. Looks like they can be reused for a couple more times.